There you go. There's the pond. And then we added this, come on. Added this walkway. Because otherwise the grass would grow right up to that edge of that porch. And it used to just be a small walkway here with wood chips in that area. Just like this has wood chips here. And then this garden hose used to be right here in the dirt and partial grown grass. And that was all grass there, so now that's cement. There, that's better. Now you can see. That's the walkway. And a new cement water spigot, electrical outlet, downspout. Now the air conditioner can sit properly instead of on gravel and dirt. The guy that built this house ought to be slapped. And this is the mini split for upstairs. And then we poured the rest of this as a walkway. That's the propane inlet. And then the rest is kind of like a little patio area. And then that's the walkway up to the workshop. Looks like the neighbor is working. And then this is back porch. This was all cement. Now, used to not be cement. None of this. It's all cement. None of it was cement up to the porch. And we had Johnson grass growing almost waist high in certain times. And then this is the end. We might just finish it off with some kind of rocks or something. I'm not sure how we'll do that yet. Sounds kind of like a large hammer. The other day when I was mowing, I came right close to a gigantic frog. And that's almost due west.